friends, welcome to our channel. The first railway into the Blue Mountains was the Lapstone Zig Zag Railway between the Emu Plains and Blackstone train stations on the main Western Railway. The Knapsack Viaduct or bridge was built as part of this railway section. Come, join us on this journey. Start on M4 or Western Motorway towards Penrith. Lapstone is around an hour's drive from the Sydney CBD. Cross Hawkesbury River near Emu Plains. And enter the Blue Mountains region. Soon, turn into Knapsack Street from the Great Western Highway. Look out for the big blue RAAF signpost. Drive to the end of the street. The walking track starts from a small car park at the very end of the street. Once you have parked your car, head across the gate near the signpost to start the hike. Hello from our team, Partners in Crime. This is the intersection to Quarry Lookout. Let's hit it on our way back. This is an easy and flat walking trail with a few steep sections as we approach the bridge. The second intersection to Quarry Lookout. Together these intersections form a loop. The first historic landmark along the walking track is the old Lucasville railway station. It opened in 1877. First sight of this magnificent structure, isn't it gorgeous? Towards the end of the walking path, it's time to start the descent via the knapsack stairs that lead to the top of the bridge. Keep going down. And down. And down. Once you have made it to the top of the bridge, it's hard to imagine that this incredible piece of engineering was built nearly 2 centuries ago. A good place to spend some time, take a stroll to either ends of the bridge. Don't miss our cinematic tribute to this bridge towards the end of the video. We'll follow the same track on our way back, except for an additional hop to Quarry Lookout. Easy on the way down, but more challenging on the return trip back up. take alternate route for Quarry Lookout. The trail becomes narrow as soon as we deviate from main track. A slight detour near Station Master's cottage. Turn right from this point for Quarry Lookout. Additionally, go left for up-close view of Western Motorway. We turned right from here to Quarry Lookout. The path forward is a bit rough with loose mud and stones. Finally, here we are at the lookout. The view isn't too spectacular though. Let's continue our journey back. And soon we hit the first intersection back along the zigzag line. A short walk from here. And we are back at the car park. Hooray! Hope you enjoyed our journey. Stay tuned for a short outro.